Hi guys, I am Ole from Ole Age Photography. I am also Ole from Iceland and Root. This is the last video of this 10-day, one video a day thing. It was a round trip around Iceland, and I wanted to do like a short video every day just to show a few pictures from each location and, you know, address something. On this last day, I want to mention one thing, that is, you know, how to treat your equipment, your camera gear after you return from a tour like this. This tripod is exposed to salt water and sand and all kind of nasty stuff, and you need to clean this stuff when you get home, at least. So, and when I say by cleaning it, you need to take it apart completely, clean it inside, take it out, clean it inside, all the pieces, and put it back together. That's the only way you can get rid of. You probably won't hear it now. It has this, you know, sound like there is sand here, probably because it is sand here. And it's also salt, and if you just let it be, you're gonna shorten the life of your tripod. Don't take everything apart, clean it, and then try to put everything together. That's gonna be really, really confusing. Just take one part, do that, put it back, next. It's gonna save you some hassle. I tried that. With the camera gear, you know, take the lens off, blow inside the lens and inside the camera, and you know, take the plate off for the tripod, clean in between. Take a wet towel, you know, not too wet, just a wet towel, and wipe it completely down to get rid of all the salt. And also, and do that with all your equipment, but also, camera bag has, you know, when it's exposed to sand on sandy black sand beaches and stuff like that in the wind, there's gonna be a lot of sand in the bag. So if you just leave it and then you do something, what I do very often, for example, I take it apart, you know, like this, put it in the bag to take another lens, then I close, then you risk to get sand in your lens from the case, from your bag. Treat your equipment well, and it's going to take care of you. I hope you enjoyed those short videos. There will be more. Subscribe to my channel. There will be more interesting stuff there. Stories like this, you know, tutorials, travel stories. You will benefit from subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.